And I'm working out to go to the center. That's what I'm interested in. I made a killer, Mr. Crocodile. Up thing, I don't know, man, digits, aka say Big Dada. Alongside Angela Ice. I don't know, easy party. What's going on? And now what's going on? What's going on? And now what's going on? Up thing, what's going on? And now what's going on? What is going on? And now what is going on? And a killer man, woman kill woman. Babies got babies. Computer crime on the rise. And now what is going on? And now what is going on? What is going on?
Yo, the world gone crazy. So the hot fire touch me a blazing. And a pedophile, child abuser. No one no big woman call them a loser. What me say? Pon a fire, pon a woman.
Come on,
you're late, you're getting late. Every day you leave here late. One.
A bit more, man. You must see me have to go
Cake,
back.
no, wait. One school cake. We can't take it now.
You don't feel off.
I'm getting late for work. Me can't manage with this man.
Please. You know, take your 500 more. Me have to go buy something.
Buy what?
Project. Yes, me have to buy paper for project. Yes.
Every day you buy paper for project.
Enjoy, listen. This is very important. I graded working on this thing. Give me 500 more.
Why I tell you, man, these kids are very expensive nowadays. You know? Right now, come like me, I work for nothing. I will never give me back my money, then do.
When me turn 20.
That's what you say. This way, me not have no more money, man. Because every day you want extra money to do project. And I don't see any project that I wonder if you, hey, make sure you come in from school early today, you know. Come wipe the smile off your face, Kiki. Come go on to school. One. No money too much. Peace and peace.
Wait, I have to look. Look. Come.
Father God, if you don't see me dying.
And now we have Angela's reporting from AKG TV News.
The Jamaican government has failed to bring the crime rates under a major control. And the police and the soldier working assiduously to ensure that it go down, but obviously there is no plan, there is no institutional, innovational plan to curtail crime and violence. This Jamaican government need to find a way to educate the people more and create more jobs and find the inner city youths them that has no sense of direction and find something to give them that they can have a better direction.
They crying out for peace. They crying out for love. All violence no cease. Can't take it anymore.
Jesus, I wonder which one of them hosts you have fear. She just tell me 40. If you know 40. I don't ever see that number. I'm not going to know which gate. Let's go and walk through. And my people just tell me ups and rounds. So I'm not even know who to ask. You can't ask my people anything. I just operate it. Right now, Angel! 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 Hey, sister.
Sister? Oh, Gianna! Oh my God! Oh, Gianna! You could have called me. Why you
Call me don't know. I don't even know how to find it, yeah, man. I stress out. I don't even know if it's right now. I stress out.
So wait, I was trying to call your phone, you know, Jane. No, dear, you will come back there. That's that.
We get our food, we can't come get.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Mama sent something. Oh, she sent something.
Yeah, man, to send food.
Oh, Jane, you know me just come from work doing thing. But I'm glad you reached though.
Yeah, man.
No, so long you been walking.
About 1 year. About a couple years now, me I walk on.
Come, Jane, alright, that's some of this.
It's so nice though.
I'm gonna put my bag. You know, so I'm going to place a rentals. Anyway, well, I can call it mine until then. So what go on?
Yeah.
What a going on a country? What going on a country girl?
It's going nice, man. Everybody alright. You just
Everybody
going
alright? So I'm not afraid of the baby. Go on, so me and my sister, I don't live so bad. So you say everybody are going good down there?
Yeah, man, everybody nice.
My God, so you want Mama going?
Mama going, man.
She know she ever full of drama and
Yeah,
stuff.
man, she just eat and nice up her body.
Hey, you fatty. You just fat like some good cat.
Let me go and eat up some of my food, you know, too much food
What
now.
better to do?
Carry.
Yeah, original food eater girl.
Can't make the food
Yeah,
there.
get something to stay. I'm just come from work and Sydney. And I was trying to call her so much. And I'm not getting through. Listen up, at the end of the day. Listen up, girl. Miss, you know, so when they are country most of the time, some of the signal them not work, you know. Cause I don't understand how the people them for the work call you from the job and you're not, and nobody not getting you. What's going on? The work that you sign up for online.
Oh, I forgot about that work.
At the call center.
I'm not getting no call from already.
Well, girl, listen, girl, we have some good news. Yes, they say that it will start Monday. Tomorrow Monday. Imagine all of that. Alright, girl. But you know, so you have to go practice the physical language and something.
Oh.
Yes, girl, because you're going to be talking to people from all over the world.
Yeah.
So, you know, maybe I can teach you one or two.
Hi. Remember what one?
Alright, try and answer the telephone. Let me see what you would say. You can't say bend them. We are them something.
Me ask them a bend them. Me ask them
where you did there.
Where you
Who this? You can't do that. You have to say something like, hi, this is Trey meeting you. You know, something like that. Oh, hi, this is Jane. I'm from England. Oh, anyway, me know you're a good girl because you go to school and college and them something. Yeah. Alright, so go on, train up yourself because this is Kingston and we have to pay bills. Not that you don't pay it in the country, but you don't know say less in the country. Rent and all them something up yourself. Yeah. So, do your thing. I'm gonna get it. You're not hungry?
Hungry bad. I did.
I know. You know I had prepared something for you. Don't worry.
Hey.
Hey.
Represent for the bad girl there. Hey. You know some bad from where? Send me. Bad girl. Big king. Man boss. Send me. Bad from birth. Any boy this way. No see a dirt. 6'6" in under the earth.
I want to play the song in that place.
Yeah, man.
Me catch you today and go on like you
Oh, son.
I never hear me yourself baptized.
No, man. You know see a bad song. This
I hear a song.
You never hear some big artist.
I'm never hear.
Dark like night don't come in the sunshine. Oh, son.
It's on. Nah, lie, man. It's on good. Can't go on, but.
Auntie,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
look
yeah.
nice. Oh, boy. I see you, boy. You want to open
Just get some yam. Just get some yam.
Who may do it, yeah, man?
Yeah, mom say I'm for car. No money.
You have the money?
No, so I want to work. Me go start, you know.
Yeah. Make sure you give me money a week time, eh, auntie?
And now you may work for.
Yeah, man, you understand me, yeah.
Me talk to you later. Me go hold a bit.
Alright. Eh, good. You know yourself, auntie. Some look you just bad man when you miss him. Me a time one time, dark like night, don't call me no sunshine.
Life pretty much froze after this day.
There are new COVID-19 cases in North Texas.
And it is spreading fast.
Declaring a state disaster.
Fort Worth Mayor Betsy Price is expected to announce a stay-at-home order.
Dallas County will move to a safer-at-home order.
Our world turned upside down, equally affected.
More. Kiki, what going now? Our school today. What do you all that for your face?
Come mask.
Why
Everybody
you wearing
them
a mask?
center just up like thieves. So I have to put on one too. I want lady give me a 7 months use it for protection. I don't know what she talk about.
Why your clothes pull up like that?
You know what's your playtime?
I was just about to go and get some water down the road, you know. So what is wrong? What? This mask thing, they take it off now when you reach.
No. She said to protect myself, so I have to protect myself.
I don't know about that. Anyway, take
Cover
off
research, you know?
Take off the mask and come inside.
If you uncomfortable, you feel like a service.
So just because you see people in masks down the road, you put on mask.
Put on it too. Everybody act strange, like a thief, them a thief.
And you look like you're a thief too, so are you practicing?
That's
so why somebody have a mask because they look like, and then you put it on? Come inside, man. I can't take you something. You just put a drama or something. Come on, man. So what you learn today?
I learn about business.
You learn about business. I open up people business because you ever pass. Come on, hurry up and come help me with the work in the house, man. You know, I need you to wash up the plates and stuff. So as I told you to come and wash the dishes, your belly hurting you. How come your belly wasn't hurting you when you come there at the front door a while ago? You know, I don't trust this child. Oh gosh, you don't want it. That means nothing is wrong with you. Come wash it with the lazy fart, you. Come on, come and What?
You hear about something more there, you know?
Me don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear it. Come and wash the plate.
If that doesn't wash.
That doesn't wash the plate, nasty. Go and wash the plate, man. I don't like that.
Peace and peace.
What I'm going to do?
Poor
Chop.
I so much spit. No, mommy, no. No, my belly hurt me for sure. Me can't wash too much plate. You didn't hear about protection.
So what are you eating for?
No, then some me get.
Oh, you're not to work. You must only eat.
The reality that persons aren't taking the matter of physical distancing seriously is reflected in the downtown Kingston Market District almost daily. A check of what happens on Saturdays, one of the busiest market days in downtown, again proves the point. Kirk Wright has that story.
Corona, she better than Ebola. Hey!
Jamaicans clearly still not seeing the grim picture of the deaths overseas caused by COVID-19. Invisible enemy. This is downtown Kingston on Saturday. It's a perfect place for great bargains, but also the ideal environment for the COVID-19 virus to be passed on.
When people want them things or people want what they want and want what they need, them not turning at them house, them not keep a distance. That's what things said. Right now them talk about Corona, look at that town and look how town still. People still have to do them things, people have to do them things. It's who have money, keep them distant, but we have poor people can't keep it distant. We have to mix and mingle in the crowd and look our own. The rich? Absolutely not. Who rich, keep them distant. Looking at the crowd, ask them where them come from. I'll be a ghetto people there. If you ask everybody where them come from, I'm praying at the ghetto. We have to there because we have to look our own. Distant, you have to keep your distant now.
Well, I would be so worried because people have to live. It would be a good idea, to stop the spread of the thing, but at the other end now, people, like some people, they only do like hand-to-mouth thing, like that's what they live off of, like buy and sell and stuff. So it's hard.
He locked down himself. He late now, can lock it in. He should lock that out long time.
When I stay far from each other fact. Then that's still the same. That's still the same still. I mean, if I catch it from somebody, I say it go same way.
Yeah, but you might dead now, big man.
Then we're not dead and done. Because we not don't come for it for stay long.
Long day out of work. It's lost, yeah. Think of it, what time? No, so this not look good, man. Bro, God, now go on good, man. Curfew, my friend, doing already. Just a mere freestyle. Channel style. We can't take up a freestyle again. I want this spam, man. Unless you take God, bro, God, this not a good. Just at the first couple, we can't freestyle again. Chop. One change when the match in the bro, God. People need to freestyle, it look good. Channel style. $1 million for peanut body. Go in there. Just see it, man. Sorry.
One time we used to praise it daily, but nowadays man just a wait for blaze it. No care for what they do, Lord. They smile all when they do wrong. Wonder when you're gonna change. We tired of crying. We tired of crying.
Myself in this troubled world. Joshua was one of Jacob's sons. He was afraid, but he spoke to Joshua, the Benjamin's father. His father is old. He will die if my son does not return. His brother has already been killed by beasts.
Miss Lovey!
Hello, my dear.
What go on, me girl?
And I read one scripture, your missus.
What kind of scripture you have, no, missus?
I read about Joshua and Benjamin.
Master, I bet you read about the corona, you know, missus. And which me this come from, you know?
I think I'm afraid for you, no, man.
And brother, to I take galan, you know, we don't know how we are going to make you out.
So the bush are gone.
Boy, me plant some carrot what there, master, and the carrot come like the Joe take you over. Me dig up with some potato back, master.
God.
But one piece of yam in a really bag, you know, enough, but you have to take time with it.
Oh, God bless you, my people.
Yes, so everybody over country, all right?
Yes, man, they are right. Give thanks to the Almighty.
Why me, yes, I want to feel with friend cross where the world over there, so have corona. And give to the whole of the family them.
Tell me about it.
No, Sister P.
Why you
tired?
It worry long.
Sister P have corona. Hi. I mean, you're saying God doctor and he can't get no cure.
Then you don't have the vaccine. Then you get the vaccine, man.
Me, you say the granddaughter dead yesterday.
Oh, my God.
Then I know we body no, missus. When me a hit up a bush, me couldn't bother hit because me yes and dead.
No,
me I wonder if me have it too.
If you hear something like that, you can eat. But you have to wonder.
Me put on in the food, brother.
Come near you. They don't come
no,
near
in there come near, but two of my friend me can go at me funeral.
Hey, Jesus.
So I wonder.
hand in this corona thing. The whole of me I go dead after, you know, man.
Boy, I'm not ready for dead yet,
the
you know.
brother Jesus is against it.
Brother.
I bind it in Jesus' name.
Boy, you have to go where your back here come
Corona can't come with me there.
Me still glad me I do my farming, so if me catch corona, brother, it catch me in the dirt, brother.
In the farm.
And me no want nobody come work with me nowadays, you know, missus.
I use your country mash up that everything not nasty, man.
Me mean to say, the carrot which part then say I went $200 a pound. What do you me pick 30 pound, you know? Me couldn't find no 130. How much you check then give me? $70. But me still give God thanks, cause
yes.
The tomato then say $20 a pound.
Me say me pass one field this morning and I see the man a dig up the dirt. Me say then where you dig so? He say me saw one piece of carrot man, the whole of it burn down. Brother, so me have to dig up enough to go sow it again.
What I go do now? Right now, sit there and look all the work and nothing now go on. So I put myself to do some work and they tell me say no money no there for pay. I can't do no work. I'm not pretty at all, but now I give up still, you know? So like I walk around and look some work and see if something can go on. Corona mash up the place, you know? Make everything slow up still, but that's how I set up, you know? Alright, man. So I set up.
Hi, God. Minis. Hey. You're easy with frightening.
No, man. You couldn't knock.
Where work we're supposed to?
No, at lunchtime I dip on. That's why, man. At lunchtime I dip.
What kind of work you do from morning? Where you work there?
Me know, say we did learn about fractions in a maths, so. I true, me never, you could have just aware me, man.
Aware you of what? It's supposed to
No,
be your work.
I
Maybe you watch Chinese.
No, at lunchtime.
With water in your eye.
At lunchtime, I dip on, man. Lunchtime, I dip on. You know, so the emotional bad and my culture, so me happy. You see.
Yeah,
at lunchtime,
let's make sure I say I do your work.
Yeah, man, I do my work, man.
Where you run, sir?
I'm going to take $3 for me, donut man. And yesterday, the money, I can't come to yesterday, I know him want it. So come here and fix it back.
Baby, I'm in need. You're my imaginary friends. Voices that told me every day that this love will never end. You keep running on my mind, sharing me the days that I...
Jump up with a 1, 2, 3.
Look, come here.
When I'm not doing the schoolwork, because what if I don't know? My mother have one phone and she use it. So I'm going to go one thing,
come here.
Making bonus little work.
Look on some work what I do.
I'm out of work, my mother. I'm out of work to teach.
Behave, you go get me.
I'm out of work to teach her something.
So why now do them?
My fingertip hurt me. With the man that she sent too much work, it did better with the dog school. They see for the dog school, we would not get so much work. Them just wicked.
Wicked, outside wicked. When I get no more education.
More education.
Alright, you know why teach them home of school and get corona. No better that or only God do online school.
They see if you keep a social distance from people, they say keep social distance, wear your mask and use hand sanitizer. Just go to school, do your work, and come back here. Yeah, they're not going to get as much work as what they must send to your phone now that when they go to school. Because about 5 subjects a day. But now about 7 subjects they do a day.
Alright.
I went to school for over school, not over yet.
You better with it online, you know right?
And when you keep a bonyo, you still do.
Me know why you don't want to go to school. And if you get an education, so lunchtime come on and a friend of ram. Come and come do some work.
No.
What make no?
No, not to you, I will listen, but you see, I know because of lunchtime here, one, but just to start one new school. I don't want nobody there. So, I don't know friends thing, and nobody else no guys school other than me.
It's one you can do as when you want to make a friend for online. You go in a group where your teacher make a group for you, and you can take out their number and you can text and have fun.
That's a WhatsApp. That's a WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Now may use Zoom. Zoom and the teacher tell us that if you have to ask one question, the teacher tell us you have to cut off your background. You see, if you don't, like if you have to talk to them, the teacher will shout after you and tell us that you have to mute your microphone. Or you wouldn't feel.
That is one business and that work again, yeah. Because I want me to feel sorry to get back my education. So look how we're ready to book now.
Sure, 41.
Oh boy. Look at work I go and do. See what I'm going to Please, I would just call me as my reach or. Hello?
Hello.
Hello, good.
This is Jane from the call center.
Yes, this is Jane.
We're sorry to tell you that due to the fact COVID is out now and most of our co-workers have COVID, we don't want you to get infected, so you're going to have a layoff.
Oh my God. I don't know what to say.
We'll give you a check-up amount of 40,000.
Okay.
Yes, if everything get back to normal, we'll let you know and you can reapply for the job.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't know what I'm going to do right now. And my people, they come like they don't know some people are going through things. I forgot to help my sister with the rent. Because how much money? Mama forgot to get one money. What am I going to do now? What am I going to do? And this corona thing. What is that go, man? What is that go? I don't know.
Boy, from last year, the thing I look good, I swear. In March, right, it'll be 1 year since Corona take a country start. Sweet Jamaica. You know, time for a change, you know. See that? Time for a change, man. Cigarette gone, you know. You know, look good. Corona kill people, this and that, people are war.
I don't see nothing much happening right now. I just hear a lot of things happening that just be escalated.
So you go set up. Come on, okay.
On the side. God, where you anoint Jesus' son as the king. At Bethlehem, Sarah offered God a sacrifice. Jesus and his 7 sons were there. Samuel thought, I am not one of these young men. But God said, they are good looking, but I don't want them.
People only see what others look like, but I look at their hearts. Do you have any other sons? Asked Samuel. My youngest son David is with the sheep. James sent for Jade. I don't understand the story.
Alright. People only look at what people looks like, but God looks at their heart.
Very good. What you look at?
I learned.
Well, alright. What you learn?
I learned that the story said all the people must get in the heart, but they never go in the heart, and the water wash away the people there.
Alright, you have to get up to this. Yogi, what was the story about? Say it now?
No.
Say it now again?
No.
Alright.
What is wrong, Father God? What is wrong with we? This corona is still real to backside. No, sir. My daughter come and tell me at first, me take it for joke, but this thing real, yo. Can't believe so much people. I mean, you said they all over the world. Who are we? Who are little we in Jamaica? We can't manage this. We can't manage this. Eh? Imagine we go work to them here, yo. Every store we go in, mask, sanitizer, eh? And everybody have to keep their social distance and all these things. Yo, you dread out here, father, you dread out here. Eh? Oh my pitney, oh my pitney, I go manage, oh my mother, I go manage your country now. Oh, we are going to come like we forgot in our country. No man, I forgot to talk to Trey, no man, talk to Jane about this, yo. And then maybe she can go down my plaza to see if she get one work and so me don't know how I'm going to manage with this rent here. My job slow down. Me can't go to work. Me have the frontline duty. Come and have a local job on the little reporting and thing. And now I only go to work like 2 days a week. Master tell me say 2 days a week. Jane!
Yeah?
Come here, girl. We have to have a talk, missus.
Sister.
Why?
You going?
Why you listening there? Why they give me the 1 and 2 days I have to go to work? Because this corona thing is really out of
I see thing with me. I not even know how to tell her right now. I see thing with me. I not even know me how to help her rate me and work about that. I about mom and about everything. Right now, I just put on them. I come and say I will try to get one work for help out. Right now, I just walk down to my seat. You know what I'm going to do? Work place smash up, COVID take over.
We stay strong. I have to try to do one little side hustle and do it. We can't even go to the road in peace because I have to stay far from people and I have to wear masks and then something there.
So I buy one to come in.
No, I have buy more than one card. I don't want nothing to none way. I don't want nothing to know because of me, I couldn't come at all.
Abraham brother to ashes, or Abraham stand in the fire same way. Oh God, there is no fire against God, but God is consuming fire. They call shut that means you're gonna bend the go in the furnace of fire, and they will not burn. I saw a fourth man. A fourth man. That is called God. And they could not die.
Don't want.
You say Auntie Jane have corona.
Aye! Hello, Masanda. You hear, ma?
And I know we did.
You hear, ma? You hear same thing with
Then as somebody will live by your yard. He no come at your yard.
Which one are the Jane?
Your daughter.
Fond of Jane there, you know. Which Jane?
Your daughter, Mama.
Who tell you so?
Oh, this one me and me somebody and say, Auntie Jane have corona. I'm running.
Hey! Miss Louis, you hear, ma?
God, then we dead now because the family don't know what we are going to do. What me want some water, we can there. God, me can't find it. Me have to go. All right, listen, later, me I go take clear the water, yeah, and see if we reach back over bush, because me can't take it. No, sir, me can't take them and sit near, because this is sitting here, don't you go cut up the wall of me belly bottom. All right, later, you hear? Me I get milli bags up. Yes, me I can't push, me can't take them for me want. Me no want hear say no more corona come here and catch me.
If you go bury him.
Boy, all we have to do, Dickie and no one, this throw them down and put her sitting and say, and she's that, when we have a get, we have to call to the government them.
Is this emergency? Hello? Hi, I have a serious issue right now. My sister, she came from work and she dropped down. And, please calm down. I'm trying. Listen, she dropped down and her fever is like 1,000/1 and she breathe like short of breath, like she can't hardly breathe, she can't even talk to me. She can't talk to me, miss. Listen. And
okay, we're going to send an ambulance right now. Can you tell us your location?
What we are going to do now? What we are going to do for me white picnic now, ma?
Boy, we have to go talk about it, go to the government them.
They know why government?
All we have to do, you bet me and your plan. And we go to one place where they call them. You don't know Clement?
Me about that.
Please get help. I get help in funeral.
Why?
Remember we have to go to him, you know.
No, you talk about funeral, Miss Jane. And I know dead.
They know to me here they when I say like, Fanny have the corona, brother. You know they know we're from dead.
Oh, Jesus Christ, I kill me, I know. They want to give me one solution, but me don't know what to do. Let me help him before he's dead, man. Me can't.
But no more help, no, they are dead. All we have to do, guess what you have to do?
Me can't take
go get some, go then call the guinea hen bush.
Yes.
And some rocks and thing where they call the rock back.
You know, say guinea hen good, man. I mean,
Wiley.
them talk about
yes,
you know.
Wiley together, man. And give him, and bet they sitting there, come out. Then have to go back for no vaccine,
then,
you know.
Samantha, come here. When? When they? Where she there now? You don't know when they? Then they talk when they? They want to bring her in the hospital.
Boy, you have to go see if your boy is sitting them.
But me hear them talk about one vaccine. But I know we kill you quick, ma.
No take no vaccine. Them a time of year you no take vaccine from Dr. Corona. They you know if I hit them I inject you with.
Oh God Almighty, me poor.
But we boil bush them. You go carry one of them come you tomorrow. The one where them call them spirit weed.
Yes.
And rock me tail. One rock me tail we go up on one hillside.
And they blast me.
Yes, me know they blast we pick up on one tree if you jappy. You know good.
Aye.
So you have to climb the tree.
So me I go get to climb.
You have to get some of the high glass boy. So my time me pay 20 cents give them me. Me give them 120 cents brother and then climb and give me one bag of bush. No,
can't test it.
No, we can't test it. You have to go get little water. Alright, me I run in your kitchen room and get little cup.
Yes, ma, give me water.
God.
Me poor picnic.
Boy, you have to get a little bit of water. Cause guess what? Water. Tappy bread.
Let me heart I go.
I miss a big cup coming like me. I have to go run again. Come. Drink little water. Yes, drink the brother. I put something this, you know. Just bless it.
You see me have give this a God. Touch me that already. And touch me back.
Yeah. All right, cough. All right. We have to go get the medicine them fast. So yeah.
What you say I should do now? Are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. So I was told you must stay 6 feet apart and wear a mask to fit and in the area. I don't want to get infected and then.
Listen to me, woman. You're trying to tell me to stay 6 feet apart from a sister when me tell her say I dead off. She are dead. She is dying. So you tell me now say me fist. What is man? I use mask and sanitize. Yo, me go boil some garlic tea for me. What you say? Listen, can you hurry up with the ambulance? Jaja, oh this man. Me go get the garlic tea, yeah.
And protection over each and everyone that's standing in Jesus. And the church says, Amen.
Meet the cast member behind the scene of in these times.
Up, 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 up. This is 2021. Beep, 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 beep.
What? actress. Whoa!
Imagine that.
Come, subscribe.
Hey,
No,
you
subscribe. Otherwise I won't give you nothing more. Go, get white.
Everything you don't know, sir, so you go. You see? Yeah.
Born Corona.
Subscribe. Remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, not a thumbs down.
What that lady has done to me. Take away my MP3. Now I'm stuck with a money. Tic-tac-toe in a row. Mommy get shot by JIO. Went to the doctor said, don't stop playing today and get red. Mommy, can you see? Mommy, can you see?